Hello. I am Dave Maths. I'll be working you through this logarithm problem. Log x base 2 plus log 4 base x equals 3. First, I'll apply the law of base changing formula to change the base of log 4 base x. Using the rule for which is change of base formula. This allows you to change the base from base x to base 2. And now I can write log 4 base x as log 4 base 2 over log x base 2. Where 4 is the numerator and x is denominator. I can also give another example which log x base b. This can be changed into log x base c over log b base c. Where b is the denominator and x is the numerator. To help match the equation we wish to solve in this case, we form log ourselves. We have log x base 2 plus log 4 base 2 over log x base 2. I hope you remembered how we changed it. Don't forget that log 4 base 2 is 2. Next we have log x base 2 plus 2 over log x base 2 equals to 3. Now we substitute every log x base 2 to u. So we can write u plus 2 divided by u all equals to 3. We can make u a unit fraction by dividing it by 1. So we find LCM. 1 in u is u times u is u square. Plus u in u is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. All equals to 3. We can make 3 a unit fraction and then cross multiply. Three times u is 3u. After this we can rearrange the equation properly in a quadratic equation pattern. We have u square minus 3u plus 2. We can now determine which factors of 2 sum up to minus 3. The two numbers can be minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1 added together gives minus 3 while multiplied gives plus 2. So we have u square minus 2u minus u plus 2. u square minus 2u minus u plus 2. We can factorize u from u square and minus 2u since it's common to both. Then we can factorize minus 1 from u and plus 2 since 1 is a factor to both. Remember that minus times minus is plus. And also we made sure both equation balanced with u minus 2 on both sides. Now I can separate both solutions. Next I will substitute the value of u back from log x base 2. U becomes log x base 2. Then, x is equal to 2 raised to power 1. X is 2. U equals to 2 comes next. U is represented by log x base 2. Equals 2. Then we have x equals to 2 raised to power of 2. X becomes 4. And lastly we can test if our solution was right. Log x base 2 can be expressed as log 2 base 2, which equals 1. Log 4 base x can be expressed as log 4 base 2, which equals 2. Then 1 plus 2 equals 3. For the second solution of x, log x base 2 can be expressed as log 4 base 2, which equals 2. Log 4 base x can be expressed as log 4 base 4, which equals 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that is the final answer. Follow me for more contents like this.